Hello and welcome back to River Styx Media. This week we've got another unboxing video for you guys, and it's of the Kotobukiya Cross-Frame Girl Dark Magician Girl from Yugioh. Really like the kit. I always liked the look of the Dark Magician Girl when I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh back in high school. Yeah. It's been a while. Looks really interesting. Got this kit at Torchlight Games and Hobbies, so I'll be sure to leave a link to their website as well as a discount code for 5% off any model kits on their website. Leave that down below. Like always, hope you enjoy the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that fun stuff. We're closing in on 600 subscribers, so I'd like to get there before the end of the year, but it is what it is. Anyways, let's get right into the video, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, as always, we always look at the box art first. So the front of this, basically it's just Dark Magician Girl. Tells you what it is. Nothing too fancy there. On the sides here, you have her standing, shows you with her hat, without her hat. So you get a wand, you get a book with it. That shows her without the stand. Just cut down of the top of the box. On the side here, just shows you the different facial expressions and all the consumer stuff. So, pretty standard for box art for a frame arms girl, cross frame girl. Nothing too fancy. Next we'll open it up, see what's inside, and final thoughts. Alright. Time to open it up and see what we've got inside here. Alright, so off the hop, parts of her dress or skirt. You got, those are, I believe, leg and arm parts. I believe that's also parts of her skirt or dress. That's parts of her body. That's all her hair. I believe that's parts of the stand. Stand and the book stand. I believe that's the neckline for the dress. Parts of her legs and that. There's parts of the book. Parts of the spell book, parts of her undergarments. I believe that's leg and arm parts. Got the stand. I don't know if you can see, but it's got an arcane symbol on it. Got the hand parts, all the face parts, and then you've got these small connections. I believe that's parts of either the wand or parts of her hat. That's definitely part of the wand. And pre-painted pieces of the skirt, I believe. And last but not least, the instruction manual. There's the ever-present replacement parts list. So, looks like your standard frame arms girl, cross frame girl, and assembly. So it's parts of her bracers and that. So, color guide, her on her stand with her wand, and I believe water transfer sheet for the different expressions. So pretty standard. Look forward to building her. Will be sometime in the new year, maybe part of season 2 of the D20 build time-lapse series. Haven't decided that. I'll be picking those kits out in the shortly in the coming weeks. But yeah, I look forward to building her. Like I said, I was always a huge fan of the Dark Magician girl in the Yu-Gi-Oh card game. She was one of, at least when I was playing it, she was one of the more powerful cards. But I'm not really sure nowadays. It's gotten... I was playing it when it first came out, so... Anyways, so that's the cross frame girl, Dark Magician girl. Pretty standard, like any frame arms cross frame girl. I like that Kotobukiya is doing these collabs with other genres, and I look forward to seeing what they come out with next. Anyways, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, even comment. It all helps get the video out there, and we'll see you in the next one.